How to create Bybit account. In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can create an account into, in my opinion, the most top leading crypto exchange website out there. And the reason for that is the robust features that it provides you, which I'm going to be getting into shortly in the video. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end. Now, before beginning the video, I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for general information and educational purposes only. Leverage trading is highly risky and is not recommended for inexperienced traders. Never risk money you can't afford to lose. Now, as we go on, please do make sure to check the link down in the description below that I have provided, because that will help you sign up with a Bybit account on a discount. And also, I will leave a referral code, and it's going to be written down in the description below as well for your ease. So please do make sure to check it out. But after all of that, let's get straight into the video. Now, you're going to come over to bybit.com through the link down in the description below. And from there, we're obviously going to go ahead into sign up, although the link will bring you straight over here. Now, over here, what it asks of us is it tells us to either sign up with email or mobile number. Now, that totally depends on you and whatever you want to go with. I'm going to go ahead and use my email, and I'm going to keep a password for myself. All right. Now, once we set our password, make sure the password is strong, because obviously for websites like these, passwords do need to be really good and strong. Now, the referral code that I've given you, please do make sure to use it over here, because it will help you in your account creation and give you a lot more features than the free account. Now, once you've done that, you're simply going to click on create account, where it's going to take you into the verification. Please do make sure to do correct verification. And once we do that, it's going to send us a verification email right onto our inbox. Okay, so you're just going to wait for the email, and it's not going to take a lot of time. Should take around 10 seconds max. And there we go. I just got the email notification on my phone, and I'm going to go ahead and write the code right over here. Okay, so once the verification process is done, we're going to get straight into Bybit's dashboard. Now, here we are. It says, enjoy your $20 welcome rewards. You can claim it now, but obviously you're going to want to go into the verification of your wallet. And obviously that is something necessary, because if you want to go ahead and start trading on Bybit, you will need to verify yourselves. And to verify yourselves, you're going to need to give them some ID and everything. Okay, you're also going to need to verify your bank information and your bank accounts. So you can do that from here. So just click on Get Verified Now. Now, once you click on Get Verified Now, it's going to bring you here. And it's also going to give you the verification benefits. Okay, so here are all the benefits where you can deposit, do trading, P2P trading, you can earn, you can have daily fiat deposits, and then daily crypto withdrawals. So once we've gotten an understanding of that, we're going to go into Verify Now, choose your country, then you're going to choose the document type. Preferably use your ID card, because that's the best verification you can give, but you can also use your passport, driver's license, and residence permit. And once we do all of that and verify ourselves, we are good to go, and we can use all of the features that this incredible crypto exchange website brings us. So to begin things off, let's first of all go ahead and discuss the markets. Okay, so the market section is right over here, where you can get a market overview of all the cryptocurrencies that are being issued nowadays here and there. And you can simply scroll down into the graph section, and you can see you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and a whole lot more. So you can see the whole market over here. You can see how the rate has dropped in the last 24 hours. You can also see a graph chart over here, which shows you which, a cryptocurrency is going well, which isn't. So you can just judge your trading horizons from here. And if you get interested in any type of these coins, what you can simply do is go here and click on trade. So as you can see, I am hovering over Ethereum. So let's go ahead into trading Ethereum. Now, the type of trading that Bybit gives you is spot trading. Obviously, in some cases, it will give you, bot or fiat trading, but spot trading works the best when it comes to Bybit. And trust me, look at the amount of features it gives you. It has proper pipeline charts with the proper amount of description and details. So obviously, if you're an experienced trader, okay, you will know how to work along with these pipe charts. You will know when there's a good rise, when there's a good fall. And accordingly to that, you can simply go ahead and buy and sell your crypto. All right. And selling is the best on Bybit, in my opinion, because of how quick the sellouts go and how quickly it actually goes ahead and, makes a new trade. So as you can see over here, you can see different trades and different rise and falls, and it keeps on updating the different money changes that come in the cryptocurrency that you're actually working on. So this is your spot trading, and it's pretty easy to work on. You can access it through here as well. So you're going to click on trade, and then you have spot trading where you can buy and sell on the spot. Moving on, you have different types of trading as well, like convert, where you can convert your zero fees into different currencies with no slippage. Margin trading, where you can invert with borrowed funds. Okay, so you're going to borrow a fund off of any blockchain, and then you're going to invert that fund into another cryptocurrency. That's your margin trading, and you're going to obviously trade according to the margins off the pipeline charts. This is also a very convenient and good type of trading if you have a good sense of business when it comes to crypto. Then you have leverage tokens, trading bots. These are obviously something that comes on the higher level of trading that you can all access through Bybit. So these features will help you do good and fast trading with the efficiency of learning how the blockchain works by the second. All right. And moving on, we have different things like buy crypto. Now, buy crypto is by far the best feature over here because of how many different options it gives us to buy crypto. So we have one-click buy, P2P trading, fiat deposit, and crypto deposit. Now, in my opinion, no one tops this when it comes to Bybit in the crypto exchange game. Now, the reason for that is because I've been using Bybit for a while, and Bybit has the fastest buy and sell rate. Now, if we go ahead and click on one-click buy, all right? Now, one-click buy is basically you buying or selling your crypto through your credit card. So first of all, you're going to choose your currency. So obviously my currency is the PKR. So let's say I want to go ahead and buy 10,000 PKR worth of USDT. So 10,000 worth of PKR will give me 34 proper USDTs. Okay. But let's say I want to go ahead and buy a Bitcoin. Okay. So I want to buy one Bitcoin. That will cost me this much. Quotes available on PKR, but obviously in some currencies the amount might exceed, so you might just have to use a USD currency. So I want one Bitcoin, I'll have to give 65,948, and you can deposit it through your credit card straight from here. It's a pretty convenient and fun thing to have when you're using something like this. And moving on, you also have bank to bank, which is your P2P transfer. So you can transfer from one bank to another, and also it shows you the different bank deposit rates that are going on. So you can choose the best rate for yourself and start your bank transfer. And moving on, you have fiat deposit. Now, fiat deposit is obviously, money depositing through your bank transfers where you can purchase crypto instantly and deposit from your bank account. Then you have things like auto invest, Bybit card, and you can also convert your current cryptocurrencies into other exchange cryptos. Okay. And the exchange process is pretty simple. You're just going to, upload your main assets, and then you're going to get a quote for them. And that's pretty much about it. That's what sets you up. So that's mainly all there is when it comes to creating an account and using the features of Bybit. Now, if you want to use this for yourself, please do make sure to check the link down in the description below and use the referral code that I gave you, because it will give you seamless features and it will give you a good, fast account entry. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. If you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know down in the comments below if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.